Energy drink.
Energy drink. That's what you wished for. That's what you wanted.
We are two magical elves making wishes come true. If a random passerby guesses what's inside the gift box, they get to keep it.
So do I get to keep it now?
Yes. Come on over. So you're willing to sit here for a couple of minutes in this cold?
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful.
Welcome.
How does this work?
You can wipe the chair if you so please.
It doesn't matter.
I put the cameras on. So, Emil. Oh,
Emil.
Emil, yeah.
Yeah.
Guess the gift, and it's yours. Think what could be inside. I'll give you a hint. It's something that fits. That fits inside this box. It could be a food item or not. It's something you probably would have liked to have in your pocket or somewhere available in the last, say, 1 month.
You have to think of something that could be inside this box. If you guess correctly, you can have it.
So it can be anything.
Don't tell me.
Okay.
But you have something in your mind. Inside this gift is a smaller gift. Huh.
What?
It's inside here. Definitely thing you're thinking of. It's inside here.
Was this what you were thinking? It's a small present. So maybe inside this small present is your gift.
I doubt it, but yeah.
Okay, well look, Jesse. I take the small gift. This is the magic of Christmas. It goes up like magic.
Yeah.
And it comes under the box.
That's gone, which means underneath is that thing. But this, of course, this cannot be the thing that you're thinking of, because it can't fit here. Of course not. So this is not yours. This is mine, actually. But underneath there is your thing, the thing you're just thinking of.
I can't.
For the very first time, what is the thing you're thinking of?
Do I say it now?
Yes.
A drink.
Which one?
I mean, just a soda.
Soda. Like a
A can of soda.
can of soda. Wow.
So Jesse, what did you want?
I was wishing for a clock.
You could have wished for anything, but you wished for a clock.
Yeah.
Okay,
Time is of the essence.
let's see what Santa has brought us.
Okay.
Really concentrate on that thing. Try to materialize it appearing inside this box.
Yeah, I think I got it.
And we don't know each other, this is right. What is the thing you're thinking of?
Energy drink.
Energy drink. That's what you wished for. That's what you wanted.
For the very first time, what is the thing you're just thinking of? What is it?
Socks. Energy drink.
Energy drink.
Thank you.
Magic elf, magic elf. Let's go, magic elf.
No way! No way! Nah! What? No way! No way! No way! I have magical powers. I think you unlocked my magical powers. Yeah, breath mints.
Guess the gift, and it's yours.
Oh, I already forgot about it. Wow.
Merry Christmas.
You could have wished for anything, but you wished for a clock.
What the
Jesse, Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can of soda. Wow.
Mitä?
Oh my god. What? Mä oon ihan shokissa. Tulet pitää miettiä jotain kalliimpaa.